When precision and durability matter, a reliable table saw is essential for any workshop. The best table saw for cabinet projects delivers smooth cuts, stable performance, and long-lasting power, making it an ideal choice for professional woodworking and detailed cabinetry tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 10-inch table saw. The DEWALT 10-inch table saw is a professional-grade woodworking tool designed to deliver accuracy, power, and job site convenience in one well-engineered package. Built for demanding users, this saw features DEWALT's highly regarded rack and pinion telescoping fence system, which allows smooth, quick, and extremely precise fence adjustments. This system ensures the fence remains perfectly parallel to the blade, resulting in straight, repeatable cuts whether you are ripping long boards, trimming plywood, or working on detailed cabinetry and furniture projects. Powering the saw is a robust 15-amp motor that delivers strong, consistent performance across a wide range of cutting applications. From hardwoods to pressure-treated lumber, the motor maintains steady blade speed, producing clean and accurate cuts without bogging down. The patented material support system further improves cutting control, especially during narrow rip cuts, helping to enhance safety and precision. This makes the saw suitable for both fine woodworking and more demanding construction tasks. Convenience is a major strength of the DEWALT 10-inch table saw. Thoughtful onboard storage keeps essential accessories such as the blade guard assembly, riving knife, push stick, miter gauge, wrenches, and power cord neatly organized and easily accessible. Overall, the DEWALT 10-inch table saw combines precision engineering, strong performance, and user-focused design. It is an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand reliable, accurate, and efficient cutting performance in their woodworking projects. Number 2. SKIL TS6308 Table Saw. The SKIL TS6308 table saw offers exceptional cutting power and versatility in a compact, portable design. Its 2.5-inch maximum depth of cut at 0 degrees allows users to slice through thicker materials in a single pass, while the powerful 15-amp motor provides the torque needed for a wide variety of tasks, from ripping plywood sheets to cross-cutting 2x4s. The innovative rack and pinion fence rails ensure that adjustments are quick, smooth, and accurate, maintaining parallel alignment to the blade for precise results every time. With an expansive rip capacity of 24.5 inches on the right and 12 inches on the left, this saw easily handles full sheets of wood and other large materials. The aluminum table surface provides durability and high-quality cutting performance, while the saw's compact size ensures easy storage and transport for both job site and workshop use. Whether tackling woodworking projects, DIY furniture, or cabinetry work, the SKIL TS6308 delivers a reliable combination of power, precision, and portability, making it a versatile choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its thoughtful design and user-friendly features make accurate cutting more efficient and accessible. Number 3. DOVAMAN 12-inch table saw. The DOVAMAN 12-inch table saw is designed for woodworkers who demand precision and versatility in a single tool. Its compound cutting capability allows both horizontal and vertical 45-degree cuts, enhanced by a sliding rail system that ensures consistent accuracy for a wide range of projects. The saw accommodates a maximum cutting capacity of 4.2 by 13 inches, making it suitable for cutting larger boards, molding, and furniture components with ease.
A built-in laser guide further enhances cutting accuracy, ensuring straight, consistent cuts and simplifying alignment for both novice and professional users. The saw's 15-amp pure copper motor delivers a high-speed rotation of up to 3,800 RPM, providing smooth, efficient cuts through hardwoods and softer wood materials. Safety is a key feature, with a transparent blade guard that allows visibility while protecting the user, and an upgraded switch design that integrates a safety lock for easy operation from either side. Additionally, 9 preset angle settings provide quick adjustment for common cutting angles. Overall, the DOVAMAN 12-inch table saw combines power, precision, and safety, making it a reliable choice for cabinetry, furniture, and general woodworking tasks.
Number 4. SKIL 10-inch table saw. The SKIL 10-inch table saw is a highly capable tool designed to tackle a variety of woodworking tasks with precision and ease. Its legendary worm drive gearing allows for a 3 5/8-inch depth of cut and a 30.5-inch rip capacity, enabling users to handle larger boards and sheet materials without compromising performance. The precision rack and pinion fence system ensures smooth, fast, and accurate adjustments, allowing for consistent cuts across multiple passes. This saw features a rugged rolling stand with 16-inch wheels and easy load handles, providing excellent mobility and stability for both workshop and job site use. The integrated dust port elbow directs debris to a single location, simplifying cleanup and maintaining a safer workspace. Additionally, the saw's outfeed and left support allow for larger cuts to be handled efficiently by a single operator, reducing the need for extra hands on the job. With its combination of durability, portability, and precise cutting capability, the SKIL 10-inch table saw is a reliable solution for professionals and hobbyists alike, delivering performance and versatility for cabinetry, shelving, and a wide range of woodworking projects.
Number 5. Evolution R10 TS Table Saw. The Evolution R10 TS Table Saw is a versatile and high-performance option for woodworkers and multi-material users alike. Powered by a 15-amp high-torque motor with soft start, it effortlessly cuts through wood, aluminum, mild steel, and composite materials, providing consistent and clean results. Its 26-inch rip capacity and maximum 3 3/8-inch cut depth allow for efficient handling of large sheets and boards, while the adjustable 0 to 45-degree bevel with a geared angle selector ensures precise angled cuts. The dual rack and pinion fence system enables tool-free parallel blade alignment, micro-adjustable fence positioning, and sway-free blade height adjustment, ensuring repeatable accuracy on every cut. Portability is another strong feature, as the lightweight steel frame includes integrated carry handles, making transportation between job sites easy. Onboard storage keeps all accessories organized and readily available, and the outfeed support bar provides stability for managing longer boards. With its powerful motor, multi-material capability, precise fence system, and user-friendly portability, the Evolution R10 TS Table Saw is an excellent choice for woodworking professionals, hobbyists, and contractors seeking a versatile and dependable saw for cabinetry, furniture, and general workshop applications. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.